Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes, and don't forget to follow my page on Facebook and Instagram. Thanksgiving is almost here and it's time to make turkey. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way to get a very juicy and tender turkey every time guaranteed. Let's get started. I'm starting out with a 11-pound turkey that I have defrosted overnight. I have rinsed it and now I am pat drying it with a paper towel. And if there's any giblets inside the cavity, make sure you take those out. I usually toss them. We're going to start out by adding 1 small to medium-sized onion inside the cavity, and then we're going to add about 1 to 2 carrots that I've chopped up, and then a handful of garlic cloves. Now this is going to give the turkey its flavor. We're not necessarily going to eat these, but it's going to give it that flavor when it's roasting in the oven. Now I have here 8 ounces of unsalted room temperature butter that I've cut up into little cubes. We're going to add it underneath the skin. So I'm going to use about half of it for underneath the skin of the turkey, and then the other half we're going to use for the outside. Now next up, we're going to also add garlic cloves underneath the skin with the butter. That garlic is going to give that turkey a yummy flavor. It also takes away any gamey tastes. I'm using about half a cup of garlic cloves. And next, I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give those a good mix and rub those spices on your turkey generously. Then add the remaining butter on top of the turkey. Now it's okay if the butter does not soften up very creamy like on the turkey because it will melt in the oven. Just make sure that butter sticks to the top on top of the seasoning. Next, we're going to get some string and we're going to tie the arms together and tie the legs. Make sure you use a cotton string because it's going to be in the oven. Next, you're going to get a Pyrex or a large roasting pan that fits your turkey and a turkey size oven bag. Read the instructions, add 1 tablespoon of flour, shake it around in the bag, then add your turkey inside of it. Then add about 2 cups of chicken broth inside your bag on top of the turkey. Then use the secure tie that came with your bag and tie it tightly. Then we're going to put a little bit of slits inside the bag so it won't blow up while it's in the oven. Now your turkey is ready for a 350-degree oven for 2 hours. Now, the general rule for turkey is going to be about 10 to 13 minutes a pound per turkey. My turkey is 11 pounds and I'm going to put it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, your turkey is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home, and have a happy Thanksgiving.